Thank you for joining me for today's video. We're going to turn a poop into a candy corn poop. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. We're going to start by drawing our poop on the bottom. On the right hand side, draw a curve and extend that curve over to the left hand side. That's how wide your poop will be. Draw another curve on the left, and with a diagonal line, finish it up over on the other side with another curve. Now is a good time to draw the eyes so that we don't have any lines going through them. Ovals for the eyes. For the mouth, a line on top and then a V shape. Don't forget to go back and put eyeballs in your eyes if you forgot. And now on the left hand side, we'll draw a curve, diagonal line up behind the eyes, and end with another curve on the right hand side. Go back to the left, draw another curve, a diagonal line behind the eyes, and end with a curve on the right. To draw the top of the poop, you're going to draw a curve, loop it up, and then curve back down to meet where you were before. If you miss a little like I did, you can do a little erasing. Now we're going to outline everything with a black permanent marker. This makes your drawing stand out. It also is good to use a permanent marker rather than a regular marker, because when you do the coloring with a regular marker, your black won't bleed into it. Outline your eyes, fill them in as well. This part is pretty quick. Now to transform it into a candy corn poop, we're going to color yellow on the bottom. I'm using my favorite buttered popcorn scented marker. And then orange in the middle. I'm using a nacho cheese. Not my favorite, but very fragrant. And your candy corn poop is done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming. We're going to transform a lot of poops and a bunch of other things. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me.